When it comes to owning and operating a fleet, fuel is an essential and expensive factor. Enterprise Fleet Management offers a fuel program that simplifies payment and eliminates tracking receipts and mileage, making less hassle for your drivers. Our fuel program is easy for drivers to use with 3 easy steps. 1. Record your odometer reading. 2. Use your assigned fuel card. And 3. Enter your driver ID at the pump. Before filling up, make note of your current odometer reading. Swipe your fuel card and enter both the exact odometer reading and the driver ID number assigned to you by your manager. The Enterprise Fuel Card is accepted at 95% of fuel locations in the U.S. Find participating stations using the eFleets mobile app or look for the Ride Express WEX logo on the pump. Pay at the pump just like a personal card. Accurately inputting the odometer reading and your driver ID number is crucial for maintenance scheduling. This information feeds maintenance and service notifications via the mobile app. Using the fuel card every time vehicles are refueled keeps automatic records for your company, replacing fuel expense reports. Enterprise uses this information to calculate average cost per mile and miles per gallon, another reason why accurate reporting is so important. Protecting your driver ID is key to fraud prevention. You'll need this number for every fuel purchase. It's as important as your personal debit card PIN, so memorize it and keep it safe. If you suspect fraud involving a driver ID, or if a card is lost, stolen, or damaged, report it immediately to your fleet manager and WEX directly. Visit WEX online to log in and set up custom administrative controls for your fleet, including daily transaction limits and day or time restrictions. Call the toll-free number on the back of your fuel card for support.